In this video, I'll try to explain exactly how to work with a file which you have just bought for the Samsung Frame TV artwork. Once you have purchased a file, you should be able to find the download link in the Etsy purchase history. There is a PDF file there where you'll find the link to the Dropbox because the file is quite large. It's over 400 megabytes, and then you need to download it. And once it's on your computer, you start working with it. I have created a file in the latest Photoshop, which is 2023. I'm not entirely sure if it works on the earlier versions or not, but this is the version you should be working with. And once you have the file open, it should look like this. And once you open the file and layers here, you'll see how the file is structured exactly. Because there are different layers here, I have grouped them together like this, and I'll show you exactly what these layers are. So let me just deselect these top layers here, and so we can start looking at what they are exactly. So it's the bottom one is obviously the white background layer. It's self-explanatory really, and then on top of this is the other background layer where the 20 different backgrounds are on top of each other. Obviously, for you to select the layer which you want, you either deselect the ones on top, or you simply move the layer to the top here. So you just click and drag like this, yeah? And once you have this layer you want, you just keep this one active. I'll just close this group here. And then on top of this is a shadow layer, which makes the whole mock-up a little bit more realistic. And on top of the shadow layer is the TV frame color layer. And when you select this one here, it will show the different colors for the TV frame. The top one is a white one here, dark wood one, light wood. I'll just leave the black metal for now. And once you have the layer which you like, you just close this group here. And then there are two smart layers on top of these. So this is where you insert your artwork. As you probably know, if you are a Photoshop user, you simply need to double click on the rectangle here for inserting your artwork here. I'll just show it as a sample here. So when you double click on it, it will open a separate window here, and when you have your artwork in the right format, which is 16 by 9 or 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels, it should match the size here, and that's it. This is how it will look. Obviously, if it's not exactly the right, your artwork is not the right size, you just Command T here and move it around as you need. Okay, I just leave it for now. And once you have everything the way you would like, you just close this layer here, save it, and obviously need to mark this one here, and it will show the artwork where it needs to be. There are also two shadow effects here to make it more realistic. You can deselect them to make it more flat, but I just like to keep them. If you want to use the one with a border around it, you just remove this background layer here. I'll just get rid of this one, this image here. Save. And double click on this layer and drag your art here. Obviously, because the formatting is different here, and it will not be exactly 16 by 9 this time, but you just need to drag it to make it fit the screen here. And once you have it in the right place, you just close this one here, click on Save, and your artwork should appear like this. So also this layer has these inner shadow effects here to make it slightly more realistic once again, but you can either leave it to make it more flat or not. It's up to you. And this is pretty much it. Now you just need to save the file which you like here, like save as, like normally, and you should have your mockup here for your own artwork. Hope everything is clear, and if you have any questions or didn't understand anything, you can always send me a message, or if you have any questions regarding the mockups. But hopefully everything was clear, and have fun with the with these TV frame TV mockups. Okay, bye bye.